Have you ever wondered how depression, a seemingly abstract feeling, manifests itself physically in the most complex organ of our bodies, our brain? In our journey today, we dive into the fascinating science behind this phenomenon. Depression is not just being down in the dumps, it's a serious mental health condition that involves persistent feelings of sadness, loss of interest, and can even lead to physical symptoms. But how does this emotional turmoil translate into physical changes in the brain? The human brain, a marvel of nature, is composed of billions of nerve cells called neurons. These neurons communicate with each other using chemical substances known as neurotransmitters. Picture these as tiny messengers zooming between neurons, passing along crucial information. In a brain impacted by depression, these neurotransmitters behave a bit differently. Serotonin and norepinephrine, two key neurotransmitters, are often found in lower quantities in the brains of individuals experiencing depression. These chemicals play essential roles in regulating mood, energy, and stress response. Imagine a bustling city with reduced traffic flow. Things slow down, communication falters, and the city's mood dips. That's akin to what happens in a depressed brain. But there's more. Depression also has a profound impact on the brain's structure. Certain areas like the hippocampus, which is associated with memory and emotion, have been observed to shrink in size with long-term depression. This change can lead to difficulties in memory and emotional regulation. Furthermore, the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain responsible for decision-making and social behavior, shows reduced activity during depressive episodes. This can explain why individuals with depression may struggle with decision-making or withdraw from social interactions. And finally, depression can also affect the brain's neuroplasticity, its ability to adapt and change. This can make it more challenging for the brain to bounce back from stress and trauma, leading to a vicious cycle of persistent depressive symptoms. Now, let's circle back and summarize the main points. Depression is not just an emotional state. It's a condition that brings about tangible changes in the brain. It disrupts the normal functioning of neurotransmitters, leading to mood changes and energy dips. Depression can cause certain brain areas to shrink or show reduced activity, impacting memory, emotions, decision-making, and social behavior. Lastly, depression can hinder the brain's adaptability, making it harder to recover from stress and trauma. Understanding the science behind depression is a crucial step in destigmatizing mental health and fostering a more compassionate society. It's also a testament to the resilience of those who live with depression every day, navigating the world with a brain that's working a little differently. So next time you think of depression, remember, it's not just in the mind, it's in the brain too.